In this episode, I'm going to share with you the data for the Pocono Mountains real estate market update. So this is the market update for the Pocono regions in Pennsylvania. I'm going to show you what's happening month over month, year to date, year over year, and we're going to do some comparison. We're going to look at some data. So let's get right into it. Okay, guys, so here we are. I want to go and show you what is happening in terms of listings from June to the month of July. We went from active listings of 1,097 to 1,112. Not a big difference there. New listings in June of 586 dropped to 516. So we're seeing listings drop. Sold listings of 395 in June of 2023 to 287 sold listings in July of 2023. So less activity in the marketplace here in the Pocono Mountain. And listing prices. So we go active median list price of $340,000 to a medium list price in July of $349,000. New median list price in June of 2023 of $319,000 to $325,000. So we see medium list price going up, but we're seeing sold median list price going down. Medium list price of $285,000 in June to medium list price of $280,000. Days in the market as an investor, a buyer. This is important to you. If you are a buyer in the marketplace here in the Poconos and you're seeing that the market days are going up, that means that the sellers are becoming a little bit more antsy and they're going to want to sell their properties faster, so they'll be open to a lower offer. However, if there's not a lot of inventory, that may not matter. What I'm thinking, the cumulative days in the market going up is because of what's happening with the banks are tightening up with the money. What's interesting here is as I look at this graph, we go April of 2022, the average days in the market back then was 36. It peaked in February 23 to 72. I remember those days because I had properties I was selling, and it's gone down, way down to now 49 in July. Lo prometido es deuda, they say. This is what it says in Spanish. What is promised is a debt, and here it is. Here is what I wanted to show you guys for the Pocono Mountain. Let's forget about median list price. Let's go to what's sold. That's what matters. And we're looking at April 2019. Your median sold property in the Poconos in April of 2019 was $155,000. Guys, I hope you're sitting down for this. When you go to your median sale price in June of 2023 is $285,000. Guys, this is what, 4 years? What, a 35-40% increase? I wanted to show this to you. I want to show you some things here. Go to the COVID era. Boom, 420. Look at what happened. Prices went down to 153 and the prices just keep going. 199 median sale price. And that's what is happening in this marketplace. It is insane what's happening in this market. However, don't let this data fool you. The data is a data, right? So the data is giving you its lag indicator, but the basics are the basics. Like I said before, my friend, interest rates go up, prices eventually have to correct. It's just what makes sense. I've been saying this now for a while now, but the senior loan officer report just came out last week, and they said that credit is as tight as it was in 2009, and the bankers are saying that they plan to tighten up credit even more over the last quarter of this year, when this Red October, as we're calling it in our industry, we're calling it the Red October because there's going to be a lot of blood with all of these commercial loans resetting, and these properties that are currently cash flowing at these 4% in interest rates will no longer be able to cash flow at a 7.5% interest rate. So two things are going to have to happen. Owners of these multifamily assets or these office assets are going to have to do a capital call, bring more money to be able to refinance their property so that they can service the debt. The DSCR works with the banks, or they're going to have to walk away from their property, give up, or sell the properties. The problem is that they have the same problems as we do, the buyers that are going to go in the market, because we're all going after the same money. So they have to refi at a 7.5%. When I go to buy it, I have to get debt at a 7.5%. So now what happens is they have to bring their price down for my DSCR to work, just as it would have been for their DSCR to work, or the bank is going to take the properties back and then sell them at a discount where the DSCR works. So we have a little bit of a dilemma here coming to a theater near you guys. And if you think that this will not affect the residential side, there's a rude awakening coming to you. Be ready, prepare. Most people are not anticipating and are not considering what can happen. Guys, appreciate you guys watching, listening, and I hope you found value. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Peace.